Hello and welcome to the Reiki Gem Wellness channel. I'm Shannon and I'm a certified Reiki master and teacher and a certified gemologist, and I combine those skills and passions to provide you with the knowledge, tools, and opportunities to practice incorporating crystal healing into your everyday life. And today we're going to be talking about a brand new video series that I'm starting today, right with this very video, about the chakras and how they relate to crystal and gemstone energy work. So if you're serious about gemstone energy healing and how it can improve your life and support you in your current life situations, then understanding its relationship with the chakra system will really help you. In this video, I'm going to be talking about what chakras are. I'm going to explain the entire chakra video series and help you prepare to dive in to the weekly chakra series. So this will include 2 videos a week and a private Facebook group. I'm going to be covering the 7 primary chakras plus 2 more, and including this intro week, that'll be 10 weeks for the full series. Now I'm going to be starting it next week with the first chakra, and then I'll be posting the videos every other week. So you'll still get the weeks with the gemstone specific videos and meditations, but I'll be interspersing this chakra series in it as well. So if you're really interested in starting to explore the chakra system, even if you've had some experience with it before, then I highly recommend that you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any. And a course that's this in depth, 2 videos a week, 9 different chakras, that's 20 videos in a private Facebook group. Like, this would cost a lot of money if you were doing this in person or through an online training course, but you're going to get it free through my YouTube channel. So I highly recommend that you subscribe and that you share this video to anybody who might be interested in crystal healing and learning about their chakra system. So to begin, chakras are swirling vortexes of energy, or wheels, located at certain physical locations in our body. And the swirling of the chakra energy helps energy flow throughout our entire body. So throughout these videos, you'll hear me talk about chakras in certain states, either blocked, balanced, or overactive. And the state of that chakra is going to influence the energy flow throughout your entire body. And if something is blocked or overactive, it's going to cause disturbances that actually physically or emotionally or mentally manifest in your life. And you're going to be able to see the symptoms of chakra balance or imbalance. And this series will help take you through recognizing those symptoms for each chakra and letting you know the crystals and the practices that you can use to help bring them back to balance. And when your chakras are all balanced, then your energy flows naturally and smoothly and is unblocked, and you feel uplifted and confident and motivated and like there are no blocks on your path. So we have many chakras in our body, but there are 7 really large and primary chakras in our body, which I'll be covering all of those 7, but I'm adding 2 more that are a little overlooked and a little undercovered in chakra study, but are absolutely vital with our experience of this human life. And those chakras are the root chakra, and that's located from your tailbone all the way down your legs. The sacral chakra, which is right in between your hip bones in the middle. The solar plexus chakra is located about a hand width above your belly button, right there, kind of in the stomach region. Your heart chakra is right here in the middle behind your sternum. Your throat chakra is right here in the middle of your neck. Your third eye chakra is located right above your eyebrows and in between your eyes. So right in the middle of your forehead. Your crown chakra is located right on the top of your skull. And I'll also be including the foot chakras and the hand chakras. Those are really, really important for how we experience human life. So we'll be covering 9 chakras all together. So 9 weeks of chakras, this first week of intros, so that's 10 weeks, 20 videos. So each chakra is associated with a particular color. Some chakras share colors, some have more than one. And it is important to know that there are 2 schools of thought on which chakra is associated with what type of color. The main discrepancies are with the third eye and the crown chakra. And my advice is to pick one of those 2 systems, whichever you feel most comfortable with, whichever feels intuitively good to you, and just be consistent with that. However, with this video series, I'm going to be guiding you in the way that I feel comfortable. So if this color system doesn't correlate with the one that you feel comfortable with, in your mind, you can switch out some of those colors and gemstones for that, but I'm just going to be showing you what I feel comfortable with. So those color mappings are, for the foot chakras, black. For the root chakra, black and dark red. The sacral chakra, red and orange. The solar plexus chakra, yellow, golden, and light orange. The heart chakra, both pink and green. The throat chakra, blue. Third eye chakra, purple. The crown chakra and the hand chakras, white and clear. Now this is where we start to incorporate crystals and gemstones into chakra healing work, because we use crystals and gemstones of that chakra color to help stimulate and boost that chakra energy. So if a chakra is blocked and we need more of that chakra energy, we'll use crystals of that color. If a chakra is overactive when we're getting too much of that energy, then we use gemstone colors of an opposite nature. And I'll be talking about these specifically in those chakra-specific videos. But the opposite isn't the opposite on the color wheel, it's opposite on the chakra system. And as I said, I'll be detailing that in the chakra-specific videos. So each chakra has its own specialty, its own domain over an aspect of our psychological well-being. With our foot chakras, that helps us with our connection to this human and earthly existence. Our root chakras help us with our sense of safety, protection, and trust. Our sacral chakras help us with our level of energy, creativity, reproduction, and our relationship with sexuality in our life. The solar plexus, that domain is our self-esteem, our confidence, our sense of self, and our motivation and drive in this life. The heart chakra, of course, that supports our sense of giving and receiving love and healing from emotional wounds. Our throat chakra, that supports our ability to express our own opinions and present our authentic self to the world. Our third eye chakra, that supports our connection with our intuition, our gut feelings, our abilities to meditate and sit with ourselves. And our crown chakra, that supports our feeling of connection with the divine or the universe or our spirit guides, our access to our inner wisdom and our energy fields. And our hand chakras, that helps us with our connection to our own inner healing, our connection energetically with other people, and our sense of connection with humanity in general. Okay, so I know this may seem like a lot of information and it may feel a little bit overwhelming, but just keep in mind that this is just a brief overview, and we'll be diving into this in more depth during the individual chakra videos. So next Thursday, I'm going to start in with the foot chakras. And this may seem odd because chakra reviews usually start with the root chakra, but since our foot chakras really help us have a sense of connection with this human and earthly connection, like if we really don't feel connected to our physical existence, to our human existence, then nothing is going to feel right in our life. Nothing at all is going to feel comfortable. And we really have to start there and make sure that we're feeling comfortable there before we move up. Then every other Thursday, I'll be posting the next chakra video. And in those, I'll be talking to you more about the symptoms that you'll feel if the chakra is blocked or if it's overactive, what kind of life situations and emotional feelings that you might be getting if it's in one of those states. And I'll talk about the crystals that can help you if it's blocked or overactive, and some practices that you can use to help bring that chakra back into balance. Then every other Saturday, I'll be posting a guided meditation specifically for that chakra and those gemstones. So that's 2 videos for every chakra. So this is a really, really in-depth study. If you're interested in joining with us to go through this study and to do these practices and work with these crystals, then make sure to sign up for the Facebook group. And I'll put the link to that below. So you can start in and introduce yourself. And in that Facebook group, you're welcome to ask questions. You're welcome to share your experiences and help guide others through your interpretation of those videos as well. I'd like a lot of interaction and support for each other as we go through this series. And if you're watching this later, like you're watching it next year, it really doesn't matter when you start this series or where you are in the series, or if you want to spend more time on one, join the group, still ask questions. It's not limited to one specific chakra at that time. You're welcome to take this at your own pace and participate in that Facebook group. It's not time bound. So how can you prepare for the upcoming series? Well, first, you can get a journal. I highly, highly recommend that you journal and take notes after every video, after every guided meditation, and especially if you repeat the meditations, so that you can use it as a guide as you work through the system, especially after this meditation coming this Saturday. It's going to be an overall chakra scan, and taking notes about your experiences during that meditation will be very important. So I highly recommend that you get a journal. So then make a list of those chakras and areas that you want to address. Think about your life situations and what life situations you want support with. Make a list of that in your journal so that when we get to that chakra, then you can take notes about that and how that can help you. Also, take notes in your journal about what kind of colors that you're attracted to right now. That's really, really important. It's really telling. And take notes about what gemstones that you're attracted to in your life right now. That tells us a lot about what we're attracted to, what we want to address in our life, what we want to invite more into our life, and what we need to work with some more. So then sit through the chakra scan meditation that I'll be posting on Saturday. Take note, and then you may want to join the Facebook group and get started and introduce yourself. And you can be a beginner for chakras. This can be totally new for you. You can have some experience with it and you'd like to learn a different perspective. It really doesn't matter your level of experience with chakras. I'm going to cover the basics and enough for you to be able to work with them on your own with your chosen gemstones. All right, so that was a lot of information, but I wanted to fully prepare you for the series that's coming. I'm super excited about it. So if you're interested in following along, then make sure to subscribe. Make sure you share this video so that we can get more people participating, so that your friends that may be interested in, so that they can join along with you. I'm really excited to start this. So thank you so much for joining me today on this review of the chakra system and our introduction to this chakra series. And I look forward to seeing you during the chakra scan on Saturday.